Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your thoughts, stressed about the future, or stuck in the past? What if I told you there's a way to break free from that cycle and find peace in the present moment? Today, we're diving into mindfulness meditation for beginners, a simple yet powerful practice that's changing lives around the world. You don't need years of experience or fancy tools to start. It's all about learning to be here, now. Whether you're completely new or just looking to deepen your practice, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started with mindfulness meditation. Let's begin your journey to a calmer, more focused mind. Mindfulness meditation is a practice rooted in ancient traditions but has gained massive popularity in recent years, thanks to its incredible benefits for mental, emotional, and even physical health. So, what exactly is mindfulness? At its core, mindfulness is the ability to be fully present and engaged in the moment without judgment. It's about observing your thoughts, emotions, and sensations as they come and go, like watching clouds pass across the sky. But why is mindfulness meditation so important, especially in today's fast-paced world? Let's face it, our minds are constantly pulled in a million directions. We're either worrying about the future, replaying the past, or multitasking like there's no tomorrow. This endless mental chatter can lead to stress, anxiety, and even burnout. Mindfulness meditation offers a way to step out of that chaos and cultivate a sense of inner peace. So, how do you actually start practicing mindfulness meditation? The beauty of this practice is its simplicity. You can do it anywhere, anytime. Let's go through some basic steps to help you get started. Step 1. Find a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair, a cushion, or even lie down if that feels better for you. The key is to be comfortable but alert, so your body isn't distracting you during the practice. Step 2. Close your eyes or keep them gently open with a soft gaze. This helps minimize distractions and brings your focus inward. Step 3. Focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of air entering your nose, filling your lungs, and leaving your body. You don't need to change your breathing. Just observe it as it is. Step 4. When your mind wanders, and it will, gently bring your attention back to your breath. The goal isn't to stop your thoughts, but to recognize when your attention drifts and guide it back to the present moment. Step 5. Start small. If you're new, even 1 or 2 minutes of mindfulness can make a difference. Over time, you can gradually increase the duration as it becomes more comfortable. As you practice, you might encounter challenges like restlessness, boredom, or frustration. This is completely normal. Mindfulness meditation isn't about achieving a perfect state of calm. It's about observing whatever arises with curiosity and kindness. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of mindfulness meditation. Research has shown that it can reduce stress, improve focus, boost emotional resilience, and even enhance physical health. For example, mindfulness has been linked to lower blood pressure, improved sleep quality, and better immune function. On a mental level, it helps you become more aware of your thought patterns, allowing you to respond to challenges with greater clarity and calmness. Here's a quick example of mindful walking. Instead of rushing from point A to point B, slow down and pay attention to the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the rhythm of your steps, and the sights and sounds around you. This simple shift in awareness can turn an ordinary walk into a meditative experience. For beginners, guided meditations are an excellent way to start. Apps like Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer offer a variety of sessions tailored to different needs, from reducing stress to improving sleep. These guided practices provide structure and support, making it easier to build a consistent habit. As you continue your practice, you'll start noticing subtle but profound changes. You might find yourself reacting less to stressful situations and feeling more connected to the present.